1. Very cold. Say freezing. Example, it's freezing outside. 2. Very hot. Say boiling. The water is boiling. 3. Very tired. Say exhausted. I'm exhausted after work. 4. Very happy. Say thrilled. She was thrilled to see her family. 5. Very angry. Say furious. He was furious about the delay. 6. Very big. Say huge or massive. That building is massive. 7. Very small. Say tiny. The puppy is so tiny and cute. 8. Very fast. Say rapid or quick. He gave a rapid response. 9. Very smart. Say brilliant. That's a brilliant idea. 10. Very sad. Say heartbroken. She felt heartbroken after the breakup. 11. Very funny. Say hilarious. The joke was hilarious. 12. Very beautiful. Say stunning. You look stunning in that dress. 13. Very boring. Say dull. This show is so dull, I'm sleepy. 14. Very clean. Say spotless. His kitchen is spotless. 15. Very dirty. Say filthy. These shoes are filthy. 17. Very loud. Say deafening. The noise was deafening. 18. Very quiet. Say silent. The library was completely silent. 19. Very scary. Say terrifying. That was a terrifying experience. 20. Very important. Say crucial. Healthy food is crucial for students.